The sun, which nurtures the life on Earth and human civilization, is the preferred sustainable and clean energy source for humanity in the 21st century. The large-scale use of solar power stations has led to a demand for construction and maintenance robots. As a pioneer in outdoor large-scale robotics, K&C Cheng provides advanced and efficient intelligent solutions for the installation and cleaning maintenance of photovoltaic power stations. Industry-leading module installation and cleaning and maintenance robots are leading the trend of photovoltaic intelligence, supporting the implementation of national and global carbon neutrality and new energy strategies. Photovoltaic module installation robot Giant. It can automatically complete the precise and reliable installation of photovoltaic modules. Highly intelligent, it uses a visual system to automatically recognize and calculate the installation position and angle of each module, guiding the robotic arm to automatically complete the suction and precise placement of the module. The robot automatically completes the entire process of identification, panel picking, and placement without human intervention. With carefully designed construction methods, it significantly reduces the labor intensity for workers and the demand for manpower. The installation efficiency is more than 5 times higher than manual construction, and it can complete the laying of over 800 modules in a 10-hour workday. It operates under various complex conditions with a high level of accuracy, achieving an installation success rate of over 99.999%, and the module breakage rate is lower than 1 in 10,000. It has a wide adaptability, supporting mainstream specifications of photovoltaic modules and various installation methods, including fixed supports and horizontal single-axis mounts, etc. Photovoltaic module cleaning and maintenance robot Pioneer. It has achieved fully automated cleaning and maintenance operations with a unique adaptive flexible grab-and-place method that effectively solves the challenges of cross-panel cleaning tasks. Equipped with a self-developed autonomous driving system, it realizes fully automated cleaning and maintenance operations with high efficiency. Operating around the clock with an extended battery life of up to 16 kilometers on a full charge, the robot's full potential for work is fully realized. The cleaning effect is significant, capable of removing over 98% of accumulated dust on the modules, effectively enhancing the power generation efficiency of the power station and extending the service life of the modules. The supporting robot management platform can manage and schedule multiple robots to complete large-scale cleaning tasks with data management and analysis functions. Photovoltaic operation and maintenance aerial robot Navigator. It can complete cleaning and maintenance tasks in complex terrains and distributed photovoltaic power stations. Equipped with a self-developed visual recognition and flight path planning system, it creatively uses high-pressure fine mist cleaning technology for efficient module cleaning operations. Equipped with a 4K HD infrared camera, it accurately identifies hot spots and cracks on the modules, achieving both cleaning and health monitoring of the modules. The operation is convenient and can efficiently achieve large-scale cluster operations. When paired with land-based cleaning and maintenance robots and module installation robots, forms a comprehensive product system that provides efficient, intelligent solutions for various types of photovoltaic power stations. As one of the pioneering high-tech enterprises in the field of photovoltaic power station intelligence, K&C Cheng has maintained long-term investment in research and development as well as production, establishing a leading position in technology and products in this domain. The company has accumulated extensive industry experience and continuously optimizes and improves our products. In the future, we will bring users more advanced, cost-effective products and superior services, driving photovoltaic power stations into the era of comprehensive intelligence.